guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a squishy vlog challenge. I'm just going to squish my squishy for you guys. I don't know. But first, let me do the thumbnail. So I hope that worked. So let me do a squish for you guys. Today, sorry, I'm using my camera today. As you guys know, I have this cappuccino one. We'll do another squish vlog. Hi, Minnie. With it. But for right now, we're just I'm gonna try to close this. First, we're gonna give the friend a big of a squish. Here's the friend. Here's ball chain. Here's the sippy cup. And the very squishy of the pack, we got the Husky. Oh, I thought water was coming out of it. I hope you guys like that little squish video. I might just go with the other squishy. Sorry guys. I didn't get my stand for my camera, so I'm just putting it on my heart basket I had in my review yesterday. Love you, Miriam. Love you. Ooh, that's so nice. So let me give the mystery squishy bestie a squish. Sorry. Can you guys hear that? Here, I'm gonna go to my sound part of the camera. Set this up. Here's this ball chain. Here's a sippy cup thingy and the main squishy of the cast. It smells so nice and it is so squishy. So yeah, I'm gonna put that away and choose the house. And Mary. I don't want to break her off. It's like a fluffy glove. Hi, Mary. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So, yeah. Bye. Definitely stay tuned for my other videos because you can always stay tuned. Definitely subscribe, put your notification bells up, give this video a thumbs up, and share, and tell everyone to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Unicorn Critters. Now that's my sister over there. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's right there.